What are you shooting, mate?
Behind the scenes. Join me behind the camera and in the kitchen with Hilton. Are you ready? I'm back. 5 minutes.
Balls.
Pretty cool. You're not gonna miss me in the kitchen now, are you?
Easy.
Good morning.
How's it going?
Wonderful, how are you?
Good, mate.
Come with me. Come on, girl.
How's it going? So yeah, come out of the boat, take a photo from the deck of the boat, and then we're going to have you walking from here. Another photo here, but on this one you can take a bit longer because the Steadicam's just coming around.
It's hard to...
Balls.
Wow.
Some of your best work.
That is... Okay, here we go.
Set, and 3, 2, 1, action.
Nailed it.
Purple sector 1, purple sector 1.
How are you finding it so far, mate?
I got my steps in for the day.
Everyone ready? So can we go for a take?
First positions, nice and quiet. 2, 1, action.
Then there'll be someone else here.
Yeah.
Question is, mate, are you shooting on manual or are you shooting on auto?
Manual.
Well, I set up for auto, so...
I have to change it all.
Changed it, yeah?
I'll put it back to auto for you.
Yeah, cheers, mate.
You're right to stop.
Kurt, you know that you might take your job?
I'm nervous everyone's going to take my job, so he might as well be him.
If you started here and track around that way on Lando and then heading.
Beautiful.
Yeah, it's pretty nice.
Very nice. Pretty nice.
Lando, first part of the day done.
Yeah.
How'd it go?
Smooth.
Purple
Beautiful.
sectors.
A purple.
Purple, purple.
Purple. You know, you know how many calories you burn whilst trying to take photos?
Quite a lot. Tell me about it.
Tougher than racing.
Everybody first positions, please.
Can I walk you through what we want you to do?
You can.
Great. Thank you very much. And then turn around, sit down, and just sort of take in the room, and that'll be the cut.
IV.
Yeah, IV.
Before, mate.
First positions, please. We need to move on.
Okay. First positions, please. I think that's you at the front door, I think. Actually.
So 2.5 on the lens, please.
And 2, 1, action.
Might go in the window and.
It's quite hard to see, yeah?
What are you shooting, mate?
Behind the scenes.
Behind us.
Hold the front thing down now, just hold it down.
This one?
That one there.
Yeah.
It's got
Boom.
One, action.
Hello everyone.
What's the wasp?
I know, I thought I was gonna eat it. Join me behind the camera and in the kitchen with Hilton. Are you ready? Because I am.
Nailed it.
Lovely.
Lovely stuff.
Lovely, that's lovely. That sounds lovely, isn't it? Lovely. Round 2. Post lunch.
Well, it's not round 2, it's round 6, 7, 8.
Well, yeah. Round 2 of today.
Yeah, correct.
PM session.
PM session.
This is FP2 coming up. If you don't want to replace with anyone here,
Keeping my 16 in mind.
it's another 100 quid.
So Lando, what's next for you, mate?
Voice over time.
Yeah.
So you can hear my beautiful voice.
5 minutes. Do you want to show them paper?
Damn, it's got hot real quick in here, hasn't it? Jesus. Waldorf Astoria, the greatest of them all. Waldorf Astoria, the greatest of them all. I see why. I see why. I see why. I started to just hear, I see why.
I see why.
I see why. Greatness isn't all about one moment, one big shiny thing. It's paying attention to the details that others miss. I see why Conrad Hilton called Waldorf Astoria the greatest of them all. Wow, that was beautiful. All right, what's next?
I've got you an apron. Cooking time, mate.
Custom apron?
Yes, sir.
Damn, look at this. So on brand, guys.
Let's have a look.
It's pretty cool.
Look
Look at me go. Look at me go. Not gonna miss me in the kitchen now, are you? I feel like a professional. Just need my hat.
Right, Lando, how does it feel to be in the
I'm back.
in the chef's kitchen?
It's been what, 2 years? Hello.
Do you cook at home?
Yeah, all the time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's your go-to dish?
Pasta. With a mixture of like egg, herbs, jamon, peppers.
Yeah.
Sprinkled with a delicate touch of hundreds and thousands.
He's going to show you like how to make a perfect burger and what are the key ingredients of the burger.
How do you feel like you're about to cook for the Michelin star chef?
I told him everything he knows, to be honest. So, no, we've cooked in the past. You know, we got history. We got history. He says I was the best student he's ever had.
Yeah.
Yeah, he definitely said that.
Yeah.
No, he's 100%.
Sydney.
Yeah, he said
Is it
that
true
you...
that Lando is the best student you've ever had?
Actually, he was. He made the hollandaise sauce before,
Yeah.
and I needed to say on the camera it was but it was actually really good. It was really good.
See?
It was really good.
See? You see what they do? He had to say it was shit, but it was actually amazing.
2, 1, action.
Get ready for my cheat day cook along with Hilton. And if you want a chance to get your hands on one of these, comment down below. Now, let's get cooking.
see the burger here. Looks pretty good.
That's one of them.
Yeah.
This is my one. This is my one.
Mate,
Perfect.
you absolutely
Perfect.
destroyed that.
I'm trying to.
What's next?
Stroopwafels.
Have you made them before?
Dessert burger. I've made stroopwafels before.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you're a pro already.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
No, this one I'm teaching him how to.
Yeah, that is, yeah.
Big applause for everybody.
Alright, that's it for today. Join us next time to see what Hilton and I have planned.